Want to save up to 248 hours and nearly £4,000 a year? Meet Aidenn, our AI agent for repairs. Trained on thousands of successful diagnostics, Aidenn quickly identifies simple faults, reducing back and forth and ensuring a first-time fix. When your tenant reports an issue, Aidenn is your first line of defense. It can analyze the make and model of boilers and other appliances from photos, then find video tutorials for troubleshooting issues with that specific appliance for your occupier. It can even customize advice based on property information and the weather, and generate helpful visuals to guide tenants through what they need to do. Aidenn also autonomously finds user manuals, repair policies, lockbox codes, contact numbers, and other essential information. Available in over 200 languages, Aidenn makes sure your tenants are never left in the dark. Aidenn isn't just tenant-friendly, it's agent-friendly too. Cut down training time and managerial workload. Aidenn can guide your team on legislation updates, sense checking, and best practices. Need to know how to serve a Section 8 notice or sense check parts pricing? Just ask Aidenn. All this means that, with Aidenn, you'll know that when you do have to send out a contractor to repair an issue, it's because they're really needed. Go beyond large language models and experience an AI agent built specifically for repairs. Get real diagnostics, real savings, and real results with Aidenn.